it's in the capital city. So I had to take the airplane or long bus ride. But when I was in college, we communicate through letter. And then in 1975, very bad thing happened to Cambodia when the communist regime took over our country. They came in with military takeover, military truck, tank, and soldier with a big gun on their shoulder. They march in the city and they managed to shut down the country, complete shutdown. That means there's no more marketplace. You cannot go to the market to buy anything, nothing to sell, nothing open. Even the post office was closed. The bank was closed.